Good morning guys! Gagawa tayo ng tuna sandwich. So we have paminta, sibuyas. We have paminta here. And this is our tuna sandwich. So this is our tuna. Tuna. So, lagyan na natin siya ng paminta. Okay. We use this mayonnaise, guys, dahil wala silang mayonnaise na na puti. Puro spicy ang mayonnaise nila. So, I use this one. But this is for them also. Isn't it too much to packet? We have only one tuna can. So mix. Ito naman yung ilalagay natin sibuyas, guys. So balatan natin. Ito na yung sibuyas natin, guys. Igatin na natin siya ng pinong-pino para masarap siya. Halo na natin siya, guys. Ito na siya, guys. Ang ating simple tuna sandwich. Yan, let's try, guys. Kahit di ko na siya linagyan ng asin, guys. Sarap. Thank you for watching.